This is our Doall 1612-1 vertical band saw. It has a high and low range. It's to 5,200 feet per minute. It's got some nice extras. It's got the speed indicator gauge, which is functioning. It's got a blade tensioning gauge, which is functioning. The machine has a rip fence, which you see to the left of the table. It's got a protractor to the right, and it also has a complete contouring attachment. It is also original paint. It's a very clean saw. We're going to bring up the welder. It does have a blade welder grinder and shear, which has been tested with some banding, which it worked well. Even the light on the welder works. I'm going to bring it on for you now. We're in the low range. Going to speed it up. You can hear very quiet, no rattling. Going to bring it down. Back to the low to shift. High range now. We'll put the grinder on. Grinder on, quiet, and the light comes on. As I said, the welder has been tested and it is functioning correctly. This is our 1612-1 Doall Vertical Band Saw. Thank you for watching.